Hello?
Hi, Papa Jack. Good
Hi,
evening
ang
po.
hina ng voice mo.
Sorry, medyo malat. Hello.
Good morning.
Yes, good morning po.
Naka-headset ka ba? Naka-loudspeaker?
Hindi po. May lang yung boses ko kasi baka magising yung nanay.
So mag-a-adjust kami.
Sorry.
Anyways, I checked your the thread of messages sa akin. This is not your first call.
Yes po.
So
Pero
ibig sabihin wala ko na itulong sa nung una.
hindi naman po magkaibang matters na to.
Pahina ka ng pahina.
Magkaibang problem na tong tinatawag ko ngayon.
Oh, okay, sige. All right. What's your name?
My name is Chris, 26 years old from Cavite.
Oh, ang daming sinabi. Tinatanong ko lang yung pangalan pa lang tinanong ko, sinabi na lahat. Okay. Anong part ka ng Cavite, Chris?
Kawit po.
Kawit. Okay.
Yes.
Anong ginagawa sa buhay?
Working. 2 jobs.
You are working 2 jobs. Anong mga
Yes
work?
po. Yung isa marketing po sa school ng mom ko. Tapos yung second naman, marketing agency din.
In the same nature pala.
Yes po.
Ilan taong ka na? 26?
Yes po.
I'm glad to have an audience and a caller who belongs sa age bracket
Senior,
mo.
same age.
Yes, my same age. 26. Diba? Anyways, are you married?
Hindi po.
Hindi. Okay. Okay, what can I do for you?
Papa Jack, kailangan ko kasi ng brotherly advice ngayon.
Buti advice kasi try mo humingi ng pera, mag-aaway tayo ngayon. What
So yung
happened?
problem po about my career naman.
Oh, career. What
Yes.
about it?
Kasi yun nga po nasabi ko na may 2 jobs ako.
Mhm.
Tapos, yung isa sa school, tapos yung isa naman sa marketing agency nga. Pero, hindi ko na-feel na yung fulfillment by doing it.
Okay.
Kasi it felt like yung pag-help ko dun sa family business. Hello?
Yeah, I'm here. I'm listening.
Okay. So, yung pag-help ko po dun sa may family business, I feel like parang utang na loob ko yun sa nanay ko. Kasi siya nagbayad ng tuition ko and everything. She raised me well. Tapos naman sa second job, I prayed for that to happen last year. So, nag-stay ako dun for almost mag 1.5 years na pala. Tapos, currently, parang yun nga, nababurnout ako hindi lang sa work, kundi dun sa unfulfilled potential ko.
Oh, profound.
Yeah. Kasi I graduated arts management.
I'm sorry? I
Parang,
didn't hear that. What
I
did you take?
graduated arts management po.
Oh, talaga?
Yes.
So, magaling ka mag-drawing?
Ay, misconception po yan about sa course namin.
Okay, so
Kasi-
hindi ka magaling mag-drawing.
Hindi totoo naman kasi, yung course na po na yun kasi Papa Jack, nakafocus siya sa curatorial stuff.
Okay.
Sa museums,
Yeah.
ganyan.
Okay. Appreciation
Tapos-
of art and valuing them.
Yes.
It's more of that. Like, okay, I get that.
Yes.
Okay.
Tapos, parang, wala, I feel lost right now. Kasi, parang, nag-recap kasi ako ng stories ko, 2016. Tapos, parang, ang firm ko dun sa may dream ko to be a screenplay writer.
Okay.
So, kaya ako nag-arts management. Kasi, second option ko yun. Hindi ako nakapasok as filmmaker.
Oh, you wanna be a movie director?
Sana.
Well, you are young. You're just 26.
Yes.
Well, I'm
Pero
sorry.
feeling
Bago
ko-
ako no. I get this a lot. No, people your age, you act as if you act as if nauubusan kayo ng panahon.
Yes.
You're just 26. It's good that you have this mindset. I like people who na alam nila ang gusto nila and you exactly know what you want. It's just that there are compromises along the way and potentially there are people na pwedeng masaktan. Parang ganun yung kwentuhan natin.
Mhm.
Okay. Mhm.
So, ayun po. Kaya ako nag-apply dun sa second job kasi bukod sa makaka-work ko yung mga workmates ko nun. Akala ko, matututunan kong mahalin yung job na yun. Kasi I'm with my friends again. So, pero yung expectations ko kasi habang tumatagal ako dun sa work na yun, hindi na siya aligned with my vision or
Okay.
expectations dun.
So you are
Gusto
one
ko
of
na
those
umalis.
people na may vision board talaga.
Medyo magulo siya, chaotic, pero it's there.
Yeah.
So, ayun. Gusto ko na mag-resign sa job. Kasi parang PMI, yung sinasweldo ko doon, dahil sa Makati yun. Parang ginagastos ko lang siya for transpo and toll.
Oh, so you drive your own car
Nagpapahatid po minsan.
and you pay for the toll.
So parang hindi ko lang, siguro kaya na-excite ako dun sa job na yun kasi finally, tingin ko may milestone na ako to reach my goals.
Okay.
Pero parang ngayon nagiging burden na siya for me.
Hindi ka pa married, no?
Hindi pa.
Okay.
Tapos,
Mm.
ay sorry, gusto ko na rin kasi sanang umalis dun sa may first job ko, yung sa school na. Pero kasi parang nagpapaywatig yung nanay ko na ayaw niya ako umalis doon.
Why?
And I don't
Do you
know what
own
to
that?
do.
Do you own the business?
Family business po kasi siya. So,
Oh.
baka na-expect niya na someday ako yung mag-take over. Pero hindi ko talaga siya niche papasok. Hirap. Tinay ko naman. Nakapag-stay nga ako for 5 years eh. Kaya ako maging
so
quitter.
you've been doing that for 5 years.
Yes. Before I graduated.
Do you do a good job?
I don't think so.
So
Ang dami ko na sintinry, marketing,
no,
office
dun sa
admin.
family business ninyo, are you doing a good job?
I don't think so.
So ibig sabihin, you are just there because nepotism.
Sorry?
Nepotismo yung dahilan kung ba't ka nandun. Not because it's merit-based.
Ayun nga, hindi ako proud sa part na yun, Papa Jackie. Kaya nga, naganap ako ng second job kasi I want to do things on my own. Ayoko nang, yung parang minana lang yan kasi ganyan. Saka yung, kahit hindi nagsasalita yung ibang employees, nararamdaman ko naman na parang pag titignan nila ako, ay anak kasi ito ng may-ari. Ayoko nang gano'n.
Yeah. Well, it's good that you feel the way you feel. I mean, that makes you self-aware.
Yes.
That's always a good
Pero-
that's always a good quality.
Yes, pero ang hirap kasi kinonsider ko na mag-move out pero hindi kaya ng budget ko.
Okay. Ilan kayo magkakapatid?
Four, pero ako na lang yung hindi kasal at
Oh.
walang anak. So,
Okay.
kaya nakatira ako sa nanay ko.
Okay. So it makes the most difficult for you to leave. Kasi if you leave, empty nester na sila.
Tsaka bunso din po kasi.
Okay. I have a question for you. Say for example, there are, say, all the doors to all the dreams that you want to make come true will open in front of you. Anong pintuan na papasukin mo?
Pagiging screenplay writer.
Okay. Pagiging screenplay writer.
Yes.
Okay.
Pero wala akong enough credentials for it or even a portfolio.
Well, everyone will have to start somewhere.
Yeah.
Do you have any idea where to start? How to start?
Hindi ko alam eh. May mga manuscripts ako pero feeling ko para lang silang timang lahat.
Well,
It doesn't
you
make sense to
you know
me.
what they say, di ba? We are always our harshest critics, di ba?
Mhm.
Baka ganun ka lang. But anyways, so may critic ko?
Mhm.
Gusto may critic ko?
Wag na.
Walang iya pa naman ang mag-critic.
Halata naman.
O hindi naman sa, wow thank you
Hindi, kasi strong personality. Pag ganun talaga, nakakatakot
Well,
magpa-criticize.
you need that. If not me, somebody else will
naman.
do that for you.
Yes, tama naman.
Well, okay. Now we've established things. You know what you want. You just don't know where to get to where you want to be, diba? To be at. What are the compromises? Number one, you have to talk to your mom that you're going to deviate from the plans and dreams and aspirations that she's got laid out for you. Her dreams are not exactly your dreams. Tama?
Hirap ko sa dun, Papa Jack, eh. Ayoko siyang saktan.
Well, baka mamaya kasi your mom is acting the way she's acting because you're not telling her exactly what you want. Maybe you have not told her exactly how you want things to happen in your life.
Mhm.
Kasi ganito yan. I don't know if I'm right here. But tell me if this is your scenario or your situation or your circumstances
Sige po.
na. Ang magulang would always look at bunso differently from all the kids that they have. Magulang will always say na ang bunso, they will not say it, but ang turing sa bunso is always the most vulnerable, the flimsiest, whatnot, di ba, the most needy of all the attention and guidance and whatnot. Kasi nga, bunso.
Mhm.
I think it's the unintended benefit and curse of being the bunso. It just so happened that you don't act like a bunso now kasi you now know exactly what you want. Maybe,
Yes po, parang
I'm sorry, go ahead ma'am.
hindi pa po ata nagsisink in sa kanya na hindi na ako baby girl.
Well, I get that. I have a 21-year-old daughter and I think she would always need me all her life. So I get it. I'm a parent.
Alam mo ba, Papa Jack? Even at this age, meron pa rin akong curfew. Until 10:30 lang, kailangan na sa bahay na.
Not a bad thing.
So,
Not a bad thing.
yes, pero kasi parang, ewan ko, somehow, it feels like very restraining.
Yeah, yes, restrained, restrictive, I mean, suffocating and whatnot. Yeah. Alam mo kasi ganito yan. After you, I'm not justifying how your parents are, diba? They're treating you,
Yes,
but
okay.
after you, your parents will no longer have the chance to be parents. Yung hands-on. Ikaw na yung huli dyan. Unless magkaapo sila and they can be hands-on sa apo. Ikaw na yun. Ikaw na yung huling makakapag-practice sila ng pagiging magulang. So, all the rules that can be applied will be applied to you. Unless you talk to them. It is something that you that you and your mom, especially your mom, will have a conversation about.
Paano ko kaya ito timing?
I don't know. Ako ba yung anak? Kapatid ba kita? Para ako tanungin mo.
Kaya nga brotherly advice eh.
Sa bagay, no? Vuvu no? Vuvu. Sorry, vuvu. But talk to your mom. I think your mom is a reasonable person.
Oo naman po.
Yes.
I admire her for being
So
that.
talk to her. Baka mamaya, hindi lang niya naririnig sa'yo yung mga bagay na gusto mo talaga.
Okay.
Because you're not telling her. And so maybe she would always assume na okay ka lang kung sa kanya dinadala. Baka nga para sa kanya, she's doing a fantastic job. Diba? Kasi she's providing you employment. Baka nga yung tingin niya.
Ay, nakalimutan ko po pala ikwento. So, 2 years ago, nagdramahan kami nung nanay ko kasi sinabi ko sa kanya talaga straightforward na parang hindi talaga para sa akin yung ginagawa ko dun sa school. Na nalulost ko na yung sarili kong identity. Tapos, yung parang pumayag siya na, sige, mag-try ka maghanap ng ibang work. Kung saan ka masaya. So, hinayaan naman niya ako. Kaya pinag-pray ko yung second job na dumating sa buhay ko.
Oh,
Hindi yun.
Yun naman pala eh. Pero ang tanong doon, kailangan nyo ba mag-away?
Hindi kami nag-aaway.
I mean, kamo nagdramahan, di ba? Ba't kailangan bang ganun?
Hindi naman kami nag-aaway nun, Papa Jack. Kasi emotional ako. Emotional din siya. So,
Oh, yun.
nag-iyakan kami.
So, kailangan bang dramahan? Pwede bang it's an exciting way of telling your mom? Di ba? You can be excited about it. You can tell your mom, I'm excited about a new chapter in my life that potentially can be my lifelong career. It could be that. Hindi kailangan melodramatic, but kailangan exciting. Di ba?
Kasi strict siya, takot ako sa kanya eh.
That's, alam mo yung pagiging strict na nanay mo, it's for good measure naman yan.
Gets naman.
Mm-hmm. Look, as a brotherly advisor to you, I like the fact that you know what you want. And that's good. Alam mo, a lot of people, ilang taon na sa trabaho, they still don't know what they want. You know, I figured out what I want 10 years after ako nagtatrabaho. I just left my job last Friday. Were you aware?
Yes.
I just
Oo naman.
Yeah, sikat pala ako ha. In fairness ha. Wow.
Aware din po ako na may Dodge kayo, kaya nainggit ako eh. Gusto ko rin ng Dodge, please. Yung kay Vin Diesel. Yung Charger.
No, mine is Challenger. Sige, pag walang nawala na, sa'yo ako na ibibenta. Mag-ipon ka na ning.
Hindi pa Jack, bibisitahin kita, tapos bibigyan kita ng
Dodge.
Tommy ka na Dodge.
Yeah. Well, anyways, I like the fact that you know what you want. That's a good thing.
Thank you.
Sana lahat ng tao, alam nila gusto nila. So you wouldn't be shooting arrows in the dark. Ayun ang pinakamahirap eh. Di ba? You throw everything on the wall and then you go for whatever sticks on it. That's not okay.
Yes.
Di ba? Alam mo in life, di ba? Have you heard of yung line naman? Ready, aim, fire? Sometimes we just get ready and we fire. We aim afterwards.
Yan nga eh. Kahit parang unsure ako sa decision. I still do it. Kahit lost or scared.
Oh, I like that. You're scared. I like that. The other day, I heard a something online. I'll tell you. Kasi, I'm going through career change lately. So, itong usapan natin makes me feel so, good in a way. Nung isang araw may napanood ako na reel. I cannot say exact the way I exactly heard it. But sabi doon, your dreams should exist your ability to deliver to it. Ulitin ko. Your dreams should exceed your ability to deliver to it. And so you have to be scared. Because if you don't get scared, you are not dreaming big.
Wow.
And
big word.
Yes, and the fact that you're scared right now, it's a good thing. When you're scared, when you're nervous, you become careful. It's when you napansin mo, even in the littlest things in life, when we are scared, when we are nervous, we pay attention. And you're paying attention right now. At wag mo sanang palipasin ito na wala kang ginawa. Did I make sense?
Yes naman po. Feeling ko kasi kapag may isa akong binitawan dun sa dalawang trabaho na yun, baka matenga ako for so long.
Well,
or di kaya naman, lalo akong malito kung anong path tinitik ko.
Well, that's just you being pessimistic, I guess. You can't afford that. You'll never land on something until you conquer the fear of flying. Because landing is a prerequisite of flight. Alam mo kung sino nagsabi ng mga sinabi ko sa'yo? Especially the line where,
Sino po?
ako lang yun.
Ang galing.
Yes.
Sobrang galing. Aristotle yarn.
Ako yun. I'm sorry, guys. It's just me. It's me.
Pwede ka na maging screenplay writer.
Ano, yeah. I had a conversation. Look, I think I'm a little bit older than you.
Mhm.
I had a conversation
Wait
with my...
lang. Ilang years kaya?
Quiet. May sinasabi ang kuya.
Sorry po. Sorry, kuya. Kuya Jack.
I had a conversation with my daughter. I think 3 days ago. I went to her school to pay her tuition.
Mhm.
Then I checked the walls, and then they are offering some courses. And I told my daughter, what if I go back to school?
Mhm.
I mean, what if I go back to school and study film? Because I want that. I bought an expensive camera.
Oh my gosh, gusto niyo mo rin mag-filmmaker, Papa Jack.
I bought, ano yun, alam niyo bang, well, I bought an Nikon ZR with a 2470 2.8 S lens. That would cost me around 300,000. And I want to be a filmmaker. It's just here behind me, sitting.
Na-stuck.
And I told my daughter, I want to go back to school. Sabi ng daughter ko, go! Akala ko, yung daughter ko, sinabi lang niyang go kasi ayaw niya ako i-disappoint.
Hmm.
Diba? I also told
So what
Kara.
happened?
I told Kara, sabi niya, go! So parang, ano kaya, no? And then kanina, habang kumakain ako sa baba, ng caviar. Kailangan ko
Sorry, sardinas lang kami.
si Abang no? Puro kayabang. Hindi ako makain ng caviar, vegan ako. Anyways, my daughter said, sabi ng anak ko sa akin, oh, kala ko mag-enroll ka na sa film. So, hindi pala, I realized, people won't support me pala unless I tell them what I want. Otherwise, they become oblivious to how they're going to support me. And I think the same applies to you. Your mom will never know what to support sa iyo unless she knows.
Yes, naman.
Kung isipin niyo, baka matenga ka, magutom ka. So, hindi ka gugutumin ng nanay mo, no? Sure yun.
Kahit na. Kasi ilang years na ako. Parang feel ko humihingi lang ako ng allowance. Ganun. Siyempre, hindi naman niya ako matiis kasi wala namang nanay or tatay na natitiis ang anak. And I'm really, really grateful for it. Pero, gusto ko naman ma-feel na ako naman nagbibigay. Ako naman yung nag-treat.
You'll get there. So please go on and follow your dreams. I guess. It's a cliche thing to say, but you can only follow the dreams that you know. And you know what you want.
Okay.
So when do you plan to talk to your mom?
Pag malapit ako mag-resign dun sa may marketing agency.
That's
I
wrong.
will
No.
tell her.
I think you'll be wrong. You'll be wrong. You live under the roof that your mom provides for you. Tama?
Mhm.
Okay. Do that as a favor para sa kanya. Tell her. Early on. Ano number ng nanay mo? Ako na magsasabi. Sige na, ako nang bahala, te.
Yan, ganyan dapat. Kuya talaga. Ay. Pero on a side note, Papa Jack, diba gusto mo ako naman yung mag-advise, pwede ba yun?
No.
Hindi, may recommendation lang ako if you
Okay.
want to start.
Recommendation is good. What is it?
Merong cafe sa Kamuning. It's called Basta Cafe. Tapos meron silang mga seminars for aspiring filmmakers.
I've heard about that.
Yes.
I've
Idol
heard
ko yun eh. May-ari na eh.
the fact that you know this Ito mga ganito, you've been doing your research.
Yes.
Di ba?
So you think hindi naman ako nagsasayang ng opportunity kung may bibitawan akong work? Hindi ba ako parang nagsasayang ng oras or
Well, I guess we have a different definition of wasting time. Wasting time is doing something that will not make you happy eventually. Inevitably, you're going to regret that you've done more of what the things that you don't like rather than chasing the dreams that you like. Even if you fail, at least you tried.
makes sense?
Oh, I'm so excited for you that one day I'll see your name sa sinihan. Hala, kinikilabutan ako.
Nasandan kita ng invite. Wait lang, naluluwa ako.
Because one day, someday, one day, pag sumikat na yung pelikulang ginawa mo, and then you're going to make a speech, and then you're going to say, piniyon kita. Kuha ko ng 20% komisyon.
Nakakainin.
Look, this is not my dream. This is your dream. And I'm even more excited than you are.
Yes. Medyo nagpa-flatter ako dun sa part na yun. Wait lang, tutuloy luha ako sa kaliwa banda.
Si Arte. Okay.
Okay.
What kind of film are you going to make?
Hindi ko pa alam kasi recently yung mga sinusulat ko lang it's either dagli or short stories.
So you wanna write, not direct?
Mas feasible kasi for me na maging screenplay writer kasi kapag filmmaker gastos nun
Well, maybe it's your pathway to get there.
Yes. Siguro ngayon mas pinapangarap ko lang yung alam kong posible kong ma-attain. Tapos after 5 years or 3 years another dream naman.
That's good.
Ayoko din kasi ma-disappoint na naman ulit sa sarili ko kasi at the end of the day, yung sarili ko lang naman yung dapat kong i-impress. Sarili ko lang naman dapat akong may patunayan kasi kahit na i-judge ako ng marami, alam ko naman may family and friends naman na proud pa rin sa akin.
Okay. Dahil mong drama magsabi ka sa nanay mo. Sige.
Tawagan mo na lang. Isusend ko na dito. Wait lang, ito number nyo. Smart yan.
Masabi mo nanay mo. And please, when you talk to your mom, don't talk to her as if you're scared of what you want to do. Talk to her like you're excited. See, I'm excited for you and it moved you. So be excited. Alam mo, Chris, we only live this lifetime once. That's what I realized.
Mm-hmm.
Isang beses lang natin dadaanan ng buhay na to.
Yes.
Yes. And there's no potion or reset button. When you get to 50 years old, you cannot say, parang I did it wrong. Let me go back to being 26 and do it again. No. Pag dumating ka sa puntong yon and you missed all the chances you could have, tried a lot of the things that you want to happen in your life, that's that. Yun na yun.
Mm-hmm.
Yun na yun.
Thank you so much. Nabigyan ako ng clarity and support para magpakatotoo hindi na sa sarili ko pero sa nanay ko din.
Of course. Oh. Hep, hep!
Okay.
Yan. Kala ko di hasagot Mga bad trip sana ako. Ay, nako. I'm excited for you. I'm so excited
Thank
for you.
you, Papa Jack.
Alam mo, kinikilabutan ako. Naiisip ko na one day mag-i-speech sa pabanggit mo. Like that.
Sa Cannes ako mag-speak ha.
Wow!
Oh, di ba? Ganon.
Yes. Alam mo yung sumikat sa TikTok, yung babaeng nawalan ng apartment, nagbenta ng gamit. Meron yun eh. Tapos ngayon nag-filmmaker siya, na-awardan siya as the writer.
Hindi ako
Meron sa TikTok eh.
familiar.
Yeah.
Hmm.
Oh. American girl yata. Nakita ko pa dumadaan sa FYP ko na madalas. Anyways. Good luck to you.
Thank you, Papa Jack. Speechless ako kasi nag-iisip na ako ng litanya na sasabihin. Paano ko sasabihin? Siguro isulat ko rin muna.
No. Make it from the heart. Look, when you talk to your mom, it's not a business meeting. She's your mom. It's not a business meeting. She's your mom.
Siguro yun din. Parang nahihirapan na akong hindi ko na alam kung ano yung pinagkaiba ng paano kausapin siya sa mom na para sa kausapin siya sa boss.
Good luck to you.
Thank you.
Siguro mga okay na ako sa isang kape pag sumweldo ka na ha.
Hindi naman.
Sagot mo isang kape ko ha.
Hindi, bibili na lang ako ng kape mo. Okay na yun.
Hindi na. Pero papakapihin mo ako pero may kasama
Kape
pa
mo,
masahe. Papuntang Hong Kong, ganun. Padala mo na lang ha. Gcash mo sa akin.
Grabe yun. Oo.
Papa Jackson, libi kitang kape. Ito yung pangmasahe mo hanggang Hong Kong. Doon ka magkape ganun. Siyempre, sikat ka na nun eh. Anyways, good morning to you, ma'am.
Good morning po. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much po.
Thank you.